Hi, my name is Michael, head of the customer service department at Decibel Hearing Aids, and today I'll be unboxing the Decibel R4 Mini rechargeable CIC hearing aid. So when we open up our hearing aid box, we will find a wax tool manual to help you clean out any excess wax, important tips for charging your hearing aid, and a warranty card. Now this warranty card only applies if you purchased it online or through one of our sales reps. What also comes is a manual that will help you with maintenance and usage of your hearing aid. Now each box comes with 2 hearing aid charging boxes and 2 accessory boxes. Now for the purposes of this video, we will only be going through 1 hearing aid box and 1 accessory box. And here we have the accessory box that includes everything you need to maintain and use your hearing aid. Now, when we open up the accessory box, we see the multiple ear domes that fit any size ear canal. We also have this brush that helps clear off any sort of obstruction and earwax that might build up on your hearing aid. What's also included is this wax guard replacement tool to help take off and put on wax guards on your hearing aid. Now also inside the box, we have a charging cable and a charging cube. The last thing I want to go over, and the most important thing, is your charging box for your hearing aid. Now it's important to remember that your charging box is magnetic. So when you're out and about all day using your hearing aid and at the end of the day you're all done, you simply slide your hearing aid back in and it will magnetically insert into place. It's that simple. Thank you so much for choosing Decibel Hearing Aids. I know you're going to love your product.